This was published about yesterday, 16 hours ago, maybe less. This is from Smithsonian Magazine. Is Notre Dame too fragile to be saved? The cathedral's rector says it's a 50% chance that scaffolding will collapse, causing further damage. This is a building that was built in 1163. Through 90% of its existence, it was illuminated by candles. Then last year, on April 15th, ironically, also the United States Tax Day, also the day that Macron was supposed to make a formal response to the Yellow Vest protests, this church burnt down. But let me tell you, this isn't the only church that burnt down in France. Many, many others. Look it up. Look it up. There were many other fires. And what is that? Is that the pink elephant in the building that nobody wants to address? Because within an hour after this fire started, they said it wasn't arson. How could that be? How could that be? And now 50% chance that this will collapse, that they can't rebuild it. I don't know, it looks pretty structurally sound from here without the spire. This is just another demonization, and that they want to get rid of Anglo-Saxon Christianity in Europe. Why is that? Why would that be? Why would they want to get rid of that? To bring in masses that just accept government as the source of control, and here's your little dole or handout? Don't know. But is Notre Dame too fragile to be saved? I don't know, it looks pretty damn structurally sound to me. And how many billionaires sent money in to fund it to be rebuilt? And now they're saying there's all kinds of lead contamination. Boy, what a pile of bullshit. Let me look down. Let me scroll down in one of my cheap-ass videos. Okay, who wrote this? Bridget Katz. Bridget Katz. Wonder what your nationality is, Bridget Katz. How suspicious. How suspicious. I can't. Bridget Katz. Hey, are you a Zionist, Bridget Katz? Fuck's sake. In the way, small donors from both major companies, billionaires. What about the billionaires? From both small donors and major companies and foundations. They've got more than enough money to rebuild this. They don't want to. Stands as a symbol they don't want to, they don't want to promote. December 31st, 7 a.m. today. Yeah, less than a day ago. Thank you, Bridget Katz, for your insight from Smithsonian Magazine.